Alright guys, so hopping right into it here, basically I just did a simple search for supplements just so I can find a sample product here to just kind of show exactly what to look for. So for example right here we can see that this product right here is actually a sponsored product, this one as well, this one also, and finally when we get to around here is when the actual organic results start to come in. So everyone that's running the ads, basically they're getting this spot and this spot right here. Of course Amazon's taking this spot right here, knowing Amazon, right? But let's go ahead and just hop into one of these and essentially just take a look and see exactly, you know, how we can determine this. So I'm not going to click on their ad because I don't want to cost them additional money, but basically if I go into an organic here, and actually really good listing, by the way, I love how it switches back and forth.